Now we can see how to draw a subdivided and multiple bar diagram with the help of Excel. So this is our question number 3. In question number 3, we have to draw a subdivided and multiple bar diagram to represent the number of students in class 8 according to division. So these are the divisions, boys, girls, and we have to draw a multiple bar diagram. So how to draw this diagram? So we will do this with the help of Excel sheet. Go to this Excel. Now I have plotted already this. This is subdivided by chart and this is multiple bar chart. So in this experiment, what is our aim? Our aim is to plot subdivided and multiple bar chart. What is our statistical tools? Statistical tools are diagrammatic representation, required formulae. So these are subdivided and multiple bar chart. And what is my data source? Data source is given in practical sheet. So this is the practical sheet in which I have given division ABC, boys and girls. So this is the data of division ABC. There are three divisions and the number of boys and girls in these divisions are also known. So one way is to plot this subdivided bar chart is select the data and go to insert recommended charts. In recommended charts, we have seen some charts. So this is a stacked column chart is used to compare parts of a whole. So this is called as subdivided bar chart. So you can click this. Now you can click on this and write the axis title on y-axis and chart title. So the chart title in this case is subdivided bar chart to represent the number of students according to division. And on x-axis we have taken division. See, these are the divisions, and on y-axis these are the number of students. So likewise, you can plot subdivided bar chart. And to draw multiple bar chart, select the data, go to insert recommended chart, and now you can see multiple bar chart is a clustered column chart is used to compare various across a few categories. So select this, okay. And also to give the title, chart title is there. So I have already mentioned here, this is my chart title, multiple bar chart to represent the number of students according to division. Suppose if you want this one, so that means on x-axis and on y-axis, what are those values? So click on this axis title and give the axis title as divisions on x-axis, and axis title on y-axis is number of students. So this way you can plot a multiple bar chart. The another way is to plot multiple chart is to click this data, to go to this control Q and see there are charts. You can use either you can use this chart. So this is nothing but my multiple bar diagram. This is my subdivided bar diagram, packed chart. This is clustered chart. Out of these two, you can select any one. So this is another way. And there is one more way that we can draw this type of charts is select the data, go to insert and then go to this 2D column. So in 2D column also we are getting this one. So this is nothing but my subdivided bar chart. Give the title. So this is one way. The another way is to select the data. In case of multiple bar chart, go to insert this chart and now this can be taken as a clustered column. So this is my multiple bar chart. So these are the various ways you can do a subdivided and multiple bar chart. Thank you very much.